Hey guys, this is Shuman from ASA Technical. Today I am going to show you how to migrate, copy or move OS system data from internal HDD to external HDD, SSD or USB flash drive. Have you bought a new hard drive and do you want to migrate, copy or move your whole operating system data with all your important application from your PC's internal HDD or SSD to external HDD, SSD or USB flash drive? Then this video is for you. Well, the best way to migrate your information onto a new drive is to move your entire OS onto a new drive. This is not as simple as copy and paste, but the method that I will show you here is very easy and I do it in my home for my PC. So follow me till the end. Definitely this video will help you to migrate, copy or move an OS from your PC. Well, let's get started. First of all, you will need an external HDD or a SSD or a USB flash drive, and you need to download Express Partition Master Pro Edition by googling. I have already downloaded and installed, so I am not downloading it anymore. Alright, next insert your external HDD, SSD or USB flash drive and go to disk management. Then select your external drive and just format it and delete the volume as you can see. Alright, now just follow me to create a new volume and keep in mind that file system type must be NTFS and you can leave the volume level option empty. Yeah, done, as you can see. Next, open the Express Partition Master Pro Edition. Next, I'm going to migrate OS to SSD or HDD. Alright, as you can see, here are showing two disks. Disk number 0 is the internal disk and disk number 1 is the external disk. Next, select your destination disk where you want to migrate the system file. Alright, now I just select my destination disk number 1. Alright, next I just select the drive D which was created on external disk from disk management as you can see. Now click on next and then yes. Alright, next check the box if your external disk is SSD and if you have an HDD then no need to check the box as you can see. Next click on OK. Alright, as you can see, similar to the system drive, an equal size clone system drive has been created in the external disk. Alright, now just click on apply to save changes. Next click on yes and yes. Now your PC will reboot as you can see. Patient for a while, do not do anything until the process is complete. Windows will start automatically. Shows that the batch operations are processed successfully. Do not do anything. Now your PC will reboot and system will start automatically as you can see. Do not do anything. Now your PC will reboot and system will start automatically, as you can see. Alright, now let me show you from disk management. Yeah, as you can see, similar to the system C drive, an equal size clone system D drive has been created in the external disk. And also we can see the similar EFI system partition has been created in the external disk. But this clone system is not ready now for boot up from external hard disk. Alright, to boot from the external hard disk, you have to copy the boot files from internal to external. Well, let me show you how it can be done successfully. Alright, just restart your computer and be ready to enter your PC's boot menu with hitting on F12. Note, if F12 key is not enabled on your keyboard, then just restart your computer and be ready to enter your PC's BIOS with hitting on F2 plus del. Then enable F12 key from main menu. Alright, then select your external HDD and boot from that. Then it will take your automatic repair loop. Patient for a while, do not do anything. Alright, next click on troubleshoot option. Then choose advanced option. Next I just click on command prompt. Alright, then you have to log in your user account. I will recommend you that log in as admin. Alright, type your password and then hit enter. Then it will take you to command prompt. Now type the command dixpart and then hit enter. Next type the command list whole. Then hit enter. Then you have to find which is the clone system volume letter. Note, keep in mind that in this case you and my volume letter may be same or different because it is automatically changed here. The right way to find out is match the size of other drives with the original system C drive. The size of the two drive will be the same. For example, as you can see, my system drive C and another drive G, the size of the two both drive is same. So in my case, my clone system drive letter is G. Next type the command exit and then hit enter. Next type the command bcd boot space C colon / Windows space / L space en -us space /s. Alright, wait just a minute. Now listen very carefully. I should have been typing here G colon, but I am typing here EFI drive letter I colon because I have to do another tutorial that is not related to this tutorial. So I will recommend you that type here your clone system drive letter, then type colon space / F space all and then hit enter. Now you should see the message boot file successfully created. You are done, as you can see. Now type the final command exit then hit enter. That's it. Alright, just turn off your PC, patient for a while and then turn the PC back on and be ready to enter your PC's boot menu with hitting on F12. Alright, then select your external HDD and boot from that. Well, now let's check Clone OS is working properly or not. Yeah, as you can see, this Windows 10 clone is working properly, fastly and very smoothly. And all the apps that were installed in the original OS, they are in the same place into the clone OS without any data loss. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.